Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making veg mayo grilled sandwich. So for that, first of all take a bowl. Now the veggies. I'm taking onion. Next I'm taking cabbage. Okay, so now I'll be adding other ingredients. 1 teaspoon of oregano powder. And now to mix all these ingredients properly, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Okay, so now this is mixed properly. Now I'll be taking out the breads. Now you have to apply butter on the breads. I'm using garlic butter. You can use any butter of your choice. Next I'm applying red sauce. Next you have to keep the prepared filling. So this is the filling. We spread it properly. You can also add some cheese. Here I am using mozzarella cheese. And so now this is ready for toasting. Just keep it on top, and this is ready to be grilled. Just apply a little bit of butter on the top. And so now I'm here keeping it in my toaster and just closing my toaster, not locking it. Ready, I'll be taking it out. Okay, so now I'm doing the plating. Okay, so now the veg mayo toast is ready. Enjoy these toasts. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.